Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to create this eye-catching text with gradients using InShot video editor. Open InShot and create a blank video. Go to text and add your text. Increase the size. And change the color to a gradient color. You can also use your preferred font. Now export the video. Go back and change the text color to white. Go to sticker and add a black circle shape. Reduce the size and begin to place it on the text. Copy it and place it on the other part of the text. Then export the video. Now create a new video project and import the first design video we saved. So this is the first design video we saved. Go to PIP and overlay the second design video. Make it full screen. Go to blend and select lighting. And that's it guys, how to create an eye-catching text with gradients. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more InShot tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.